You can create a stunning, low-maintenance spring and summer garden filled with colour by using the Floriana Natural Beauty range. Bred to succeed and thrive in our Australian conditions, these plants are easy to grow, flower continuously, and need minimal care to look their best. With show-stopping vibrant orange flowers, Nasturtium Baby Orange is the perfect one for wow factor colour. Its mounding growth habit makes this nasturtium ideal for containers and small space gardens. As a bonus, you can use the edible flowers and peppery leaves to brighten up your next salad. The warm colours of Petunia Portofino will transport you to the Italian Riviera. With flowers in shades of salmon, bright white and yellow, these pretty petunias are easy to grow and they don't need much water once established. If high contrast, big and showy flowers are your style, then plant Petunia Jamaica Jive. This loud mix of flowers in violet, sunshine yellow and refreshing lime green will be a swinging success in your summer garden. Or grow some portulaca Mexican Doll. It's an eye-catching ground cover and it thrives in a hot and sunny spot. With double flowers in contrasting shades of musk pink, vanilla, mango and lemon, these heat-loving beauties make a big statement spilling over the sides of hanging baskets or placed along the front of a garden bed. And don't forget your shady garden. You can fill it with colour by planting impatiens super shades. With flowers in pretty shades of pink, these compact beauties flower throughout the warmer months, thriving in shade or semi-shaded spots. So no matter how your garden grows, this spring and summer, the Natural Beauty range will see it bursting with colour.